So in this video you're going to learn how to make a e-commerce website for beginners, guys. At the end of the video you'll be able to create a website just like this. It's really easy. You can see all the products. Once you click on the product, you could add to cart, you could check out, you could cross sell, you could upsell. It's really easy. I'm gonna make you set up everything. So guys, if you're new here, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorials, plugin reviews, and how to create an online brand. So please consider subscribing. So let's begin, guys. So I'm just going to give you the steps, guys. It's really easy. You don't require any coding. It's 100% free. You just have to pick a domain, install WordPress, install a free theme, and you are done. So let's begin. So for this thing, I'm gonna use a web hosting called Bluehost. This is one of the best web hosting company for WordPress. I have a 70% discount. It's linked in the description, so please go and get your offer. And also, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you, so stay tuned. So guys, the reason I'm using Bluehost is, if you go to wordpress.org, it's gonna show you, if you click on hosting, so Bluehost is one of the best web hosting, and I have a 70% discount. And once you have Bluehosting, it's really easy to set up a domain, install SSL. It's free, and they give you this option, one-click WordPress installation. That's the best thing ever. So I'm gonna show it to you. It's really easy. Get started. I would always select recommended because you can create unlimited websites, unlimited SSD storage, and free SSL. So I would select this thing. If you have a new domain, just write in your domain, and then so I'm just gonna give a sample domain. Oh, what happened? So I'm just gonna give a sample domain. Okay, and then you just have to fill out everything, and I would always select 12 months. So guys, it sounds a little expensive, but then trust me guys, you can get this money back again. If you're trying to invest in a business, you need to invest first so you can reap the rewards. So just purchase it. I've already purchased it, so I'm just going to log into my Bluehost. And the best thing about it is you can create unlimited websites. So I'm just inside my Bluehost. So once you purchase it, all you have to do is just log in. You'll get an email confirmation. Once you do that, just go on my sites. So I've created a lot of sites. You just have to go on your my site. You just have to type your site name. It's gonna be Ecommerce. Okay, and then I'm not gonna put the tagline. Just if you want, you can put it. And then again, if you don't have to put this thing. For me, I've already purchased yavarkhan.com, so I need to put something else in front of the domain because yavarkhan.com is already there. So I'm just gonna click, and I'm not gonna install any of these, and I'm just gonna click next. So it's gonna take like 2 minutes to load. Once this is done, so see, it's almost done. You log into your WordPress. So once after you are here, just log into WordPress. I'm not going to show you my password. Just log into your WordPress. It's going to load. So this is one-click on installation, guys. The one which I told you, Bluehost. I have a 70% discount. One-click WordPress installation. So this was one click. Now all you have to do is install a theme. Okay, so I'm going to give you a free theme, which is called Astra. So click on add new, just type Astra. Okay, and then just install. Once it's installed, it's going to take at least 1 minute to install depending on your internet speed. Just activate it. Once you have activated, just click on the left hand side, click on Astra options. As you could see, install importer plugin. Just click this one. Once this is done, I would select Elementor. because this is a free drag and drop builder, because currently right now it has a paid version, but then we are just going to use the free one, because for me it's always like this. If you don't earn money, just start with free, and once you start earning money you can start investing. So that's it. Now what you have to do is click on e-commerce, and then just scroll down, choose your theme. So for me, I'm going to choose the brand store, and I'm just going to import site. So I'm just going to click over here. So it depends upon your internet speed. It will take around 2 to 10 minutes. So but let's wait for it. So as you could see, now it's almost done. If I just click done and view website, I could see my website is almost ready. So but before I begin, what you have to do is click on dashboard, because what Bluehost does is, if I open my website on incognito, it says coming soon. So you see this yellow thing on top, just click over here and then just launch your site. So guys, congratulations, you have created an e-commerce website, and can you believe that it's so easy to create it? But one more thing you have to do is just come on settings, come on permalinks, from plain just make this to post name. The reason we are doing it is because currently our pages are showing this number. This is what WordPress assigns it, but we want to show the post name just because of SEO purpose. So Google will know that this page is about all this. Just click save changes, and guys, we are done. This is going to take you to the website. As you could see, guys, look at this. If I click on men, you could buy things. If I click on store, I can see everything. I can just click over here and I can add to cart, and people could buy it. But we need to set up certain things. We need to make our website look much better. So now the best thing is just click with Elementor. Okay, once you click with that, so Elementor is basically a drag and drop builder. It's a free builder. It's really easy to use. Hot summer. And see, you can just click and do this. Right click. I don't want this, delete it. 50% off. You could just write 50% off. It's really easy. Hot summer offers. You could just, okay. It's really easy. I can just click over here. Can just go on style. Here I can change the typography, make something like this. I can go in advanced. I can just remove the margins here. From here I could just customize it as it is. I don't want this, click cancel. If I don't want this, I can just click cancel. I can just do anything I want. Control Z to just reverse it. I don't want this, I can just cancel it. You know guys, it's so easy. Okay, if you want to add something, just click over here. You can add something over here on the widget. Click over here. You can add an image, you can add an heading. The best store in town, the best products with 100% money back to you. Okay, if you give a guarantee, people will buy it. Guys, it's so easy, just update it. Also, I'm going to show you one more thing. What you could do is go to unsplash, okay, .com. You get the best free images over here. So this is one more cool tip. Just click, I'm going to write bikini. Okay, just going to take one of the pictures from here. It's free images you could use. I can just download this one, or maybe something else. I could just download this one, download for free. Okay, what you could do is come here, click over here, click on style, cancel this thing, click over here, just move it in, and voila guys, this is it. And just insert media, and then as you could see, the image is over here and looks perfect. I can just update it. I can say preview changes. I can check my website. I can just refresh it, and it looks perfect, guys. Hot summer offers. Okay, so guys, it's so easy to use. I can, if I want, I can move this wherever I want, but I'm not gonna do that. I can just put over here shop now, update, refresh it. Okay, the button would come here again. I'll just have to refresh it again. So as you could see, the button is over here, 50% off, but I don't like the button. I can just delete it, just update it. Now let's get back to our store. Okay, so now how could you start selling products? Just come back to your dashboard, click on products, and then over here, because if you want to delete all the products, you could just delete. If you want to add a product, just click add new. Okay, I'm gonna just put a sample one over here. So let's say bra. Okay, let's say I want to sell bras. Just click on this image. Okay, it's a copyright image, so guys, don't use this image. Just for demo purposes, I'm showing it to you. Just come over here, just say super fit bra. You can write the description over here, blah blah blah, the best fit things. I don't know the description, you can copy from Google, or the best thing is just go on Amazon and copy their description. So I'm just gonna do it for you. Okay, always copy from your competitor, make something which is much more better. Just click over here, write a compiling, just copy this thing and just paste it over here. If you want to add your price, regular price is $100, make it $50. Okay, and just publish. Now as you could see, so once you have added the product, you can just save. You can just put this on women, so it's gonna show in the women category. Just save it, and then just, so as you could see, it's over here. As I told you, it's over here, the description. If you want to change this thing to dollars, the best thing is go back on WooCommerce, click on WooCommerce, click on settings, click on general, and then if you want, you could change the setting if you want to sell to all countries or want to for a specific country, but I'm just gonna type dollar wherever you are, but I'm gonna select US dollar. That's it. I'm just gonna save it, just refresh, and as you could see, this would change to dollar. So that's it, guys. So I've told you how you could add the price, how you could add the products. Now I'm gonna give you an idea. Okay, so the best thing is go to AliExpress. This is where you could put your products. So I'm gonna give you an example where fidget spinner. Okay, so one of my friend, he just created the website when fidget spinner was such a big craze. As you could see, he ordered 10, 15 each one of those, and then he sold it for $50, $60. He made tons of money. He made around, if I turn dollar, okay, so he made around, I think so, $5,000, which is 18,000 within 3-4 days. And one was alien shirt. So you might be wondering, what is this alien shirt? So there was a big craze in US for Area 51. People who don't know what's Area 51, so it's a big conspiracy where they think that, you know, there's a place in US where aliens are there. So people go really crazy. So one of my friend made this thing, Area 51. He bought the shirts for cheap, all these stuff, and even the t-shirts, and he sold it, and he made around $10,000. So guys, creating a website and making, it's easy, guys. I told you, it just takes 5 minutes. You can create hundreds of websites, start promoting them on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and people will start buying and you can make money. And I hope this looks good. And also, if you want, you could change the logo, and changing the logo is really easy. Come back to appearance, themes, Astro options. I've created a video on how to create a free logo. Okay, awesome logo, or make a free logo. It's really easy. You can create it and you could just upload a logo. So click on upload a logo, and once you're here, then you can go back, site logo, transparent header, because we are using a transparent header. Change image, upload a file. I'm gonna upload my logo. Downloads, I just upload this logo for now. Choose image, and as you could see right now, Yavar Khan is here. I can just save it, publish it. I can do anything I want. And then once I come back, I come on home page, you could see my logo. So creating your website is really easy. If you want to change something, edit with Elementor. It's super easy, and this is how you create an e-commerce website in just under 5 minutes. And as I told you, if you really like the video, please consider subscribing. And as a bonus, guys, I told you that if you watch the video till the end, I have a bonus for you. So I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. It's a step-by-step instructions, and in that video I'm going to tell you how you could make passive money and make tons of money while creating websites for other people, for your clients or for your people around you. So it's a super cool strategy where I tell you how you could make a lot of money and enjoy and make passive income. I hope you really like the video, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.